Hi everyone, my name is Abel Kantoma from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me on any of these numbers, okay? Today I'll quickly show you how to actually generate your floor plan in less you're going to see that. Let's jump right into it. We are going to be using some automatic tools coming from YQArch that will make our job way more easier and faster. It's going to be 10 times faster than the regular way you do your floor plan. Alright, so let's say my master's bedroom is 4 meters, and then I have a toilet. They share the same toilet. I just want to do something very simple, and then I have the children's room for 3 meters. Use the fillet here, then I'll offset 3,500, and I offset 5,500. Then here I can just extend here. I will offset 3,000. Then I will trim this. So something very simple and fast, just to demonstrate this. So it doesn't matter how the floor plan comes, you can actually make your job 10 times faster than the regular way you do it. So if this is our living room, here is the master's bedroom, here is the children's room, here is our kitchen, for example. Okay, so let's have 1,000 here for the passage. So we can just have an opening. So we can have 1,000 here. Let's just have an opening here like this. Alright, the next thing I will do here now is to type XWW, and I'll press enter. Now when I type XWW, I can select the thickness of the wall, or I specify. So I'm going to use 230. Now this 230 is going to be for this wall here, this wall here, this wall here, this wall here. This one I'm going to use 150 just to demonstrate. So I will type XWW again, press enter. This time around I'll select 150. Okay, so I will click OK and I'll select this one. Perfect. The next thing I will do is to insert my wall, my windows and my doors. So for my window now, I will type AW, press enter, and I can select the style of the window. You can take your time to select, and then I can as well AW, I can select the width of the window. I want it to be 1,200. You can leave it center, so it's going to be centralized. Perfect. So here now, since this is a veranda, we don't want this here. X. it this way. Right, so AW, perfect. Then for my doors, AD, enter, and then I will pick the style of the door for my entrance door, and I'll come to the width. I'll specify 1200 as the width, and then I can centralize this, so either I make it open outside or inside. I can as well pick another style of door, this one, and the width I'll specify 900, which is this. Click OK. So okay, we are here now. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to show you is to actually do a complete dimension. But before that, we can do the DD WW to get our dimension inside wall, and I'll click OK. You can see I can get dimension for this. Okay. All right. Then I can do, let's say we want to get a furniture JJ. For my kitchen area. So I can change the position. So let's say I want it this way. Alright, I can change the sink, change this cooker and all that. All of that can be changed. So if I type C now, it will give me list of cookers. But let's go to that of the living room. I can change the TV. Alright, JJ, enter. for my bedroom. So you can see by just typing B, the bed is actually changing. You can see the bed is changing by just typing B. So if I want to change the TV now, it's just for me to click on T. If I click on T, you can see the television is changing. So basically, if I also want to change the chair, all I need to do is just to type C. Just click on C, you can see it will be changing. But let me change this TV set to something more like this. Alright, so once I can now click, so escape. So I can do similarly for this other bedroom. Oh, sorry, this is a living room features, furnitures, not supposed to pick that of bedroom. Alright, perfect. So let me just have this and escape. Okay, so this is basically what we are going to have. So let me check for my toilet. Click OK. So you can see how everything is being automated. All I need to do is just to keep moving and it will rearrange itself and position everything where I want them to be. So basically, you can see how you can achieve this easier and faster in just a single click. So the last thing here now I will show you is to do a complete dimension. So if I type DDGZ and I'll press enter, and then I'll highlight the drawings and I'll click on OK, or I will right click. Okay, so you can see for yourself.